Okay, so at long last I finally got this fixed. I put tape around this damper rubber thing here so this thing could still spin inside there a little bit, but it wouldn't clunk and make a bunch of noise. And then I also put Scotch tape in between this cam and this housing. I put about 6 layers. I put 6 layers of Scotch tape in between this cam and this housing down in there so that it was tighter so that this thing doesn't move very much. So this here and this here made it, well, mostly this made the down motion pretty much silent. And putting the tape on here put enough in there so that it wouldn't slam back. Both those things work together basically to make it quiet. And that's that. Stupid design.